Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. First we should get the application from the Play Store. That's why here in the search we'll enter green Apple keyboard. And now we should get this application. That's why just tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, just click here to open the app and tap to enabling settings. Now near the green Apple keyboard here, click once on the switcher, tap to OK and again to OK. After that, just go back to the application and here tap to switch input methods and switch your currently keyboard to the green Apple keyboard here. Now the process is finished and let's go, for example, here to the app search to see the new look of our device keyboard, and we can see that this keyboard is so close to the iPhone 1 as all of these emojis. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.